Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is a little bit different of a video for me. I finally broke down and I have purchased my first Makselife planner. And this is, I purchased this on launch day. So I have never purchased a Makselife planner before. And I saw where they finally went to the standard rings for the coil binding, and so that's what made me make my decision. Now I do have an Erin Condren order, a pretty big order coming in hopefully next week, and I will do an unboxing and review of that. But the only thing I've done to this so far is I just cut the tape right here. I will say that my box looks a little bit beat up, which it's not the end of the world. As long as the stuff inside it is okay, then I'm fine. I do love the box. I will be keeping the box. So let's just get right into it, guys. I'm so excited. Let me move this out of the way. Okay, so the first thing I see, it does have a little tray, and it is, I love the packaging. It's just saying, enjoy your new tools for purposeful living. Step 1, take a photo, tag us, and use the Maksefam hashtag. And then, let me see. Hang on one second. Let me message my daughter-in-law. She's asking about sorry about that. My daughter-in-law was asking about, can I do an embroidery for her, and I wanted to take the time. So anyway, it's step 1, take a photo, tag us, and use the Maksefam hashtag. Step 2, join our reward program and earn credit. And step 3, view our Getting Started video series. So that's pretty cute. Oh, I'm excited. Okay, so let me just take this stuff out, and then I'll move the box out of the way. Oh, okay, so it looks like we've got another card in here. Oh, and a sticker. All right, so let me stick this back in here and shut this down without hitting you guys maybe. All right, and like I said, I will be saving that box. All right, so this is what I've got. So it is a cute little sticker. It says, those goals look good on you. So it was a free little sticker that they included. And I'm going to look at this. So this looks, sign up for a free training to be delivered to your inbox. Monthly workbook club feature. So this is talking about Club Moxie. I'm not sure if I'm ready to make that commitment yet or not. Like I said, this is my first time ever with Makselife, so I really don't know. I will keep you guys updated if I do end up signing up for that. Let's just go ahead and look at these two things. So I did get the Makselife stencil bookmark, and so it's got the squares, the octagons, the hearts, and the circles, and then it's got different sizes for the, I guess like the planner boxes. Let me just open this real quick. And it looks like this will just clip onto a page, so I do like that. It's got little flags. I love this, so I'm actually very happy with that. This was a free gift because I ordered before October the 3rd, and it was, I don't know if it had to be a certain amount that you ordered or what, I don't remember. I'm not even going to try and act like I do. I just know that it was something to do with ordering before October 3rd, and then it is a free, wow, that's nice thick. Oh, so it says 2023 Reflections. It's got their little wheel. It says the power in these pages belongs to, and there's a note from Sierra, who is the founder of Makselife. So it gives you your 2023 year in review. wins, highlights, challenges, lessons, growth, gratitude, what's working, what's not working, impact, adjustments, reflections, a letter to me. So I guess it says write a letter for yourself for 2024. And then use these blank pages to brain dump more reflections from 2023 and notes for 2024. Okay, so I really like that, and it is very nice and thick, so that will last. All right, let me get the plastic off of this. Sorry about all the noise. So I did get a Flagship planner, and from what I'm understanding, all of the Flagship planners come in this beautiful box. It's got the wheel on it, it's the stripes, it's a really nice thick box. So I will keep this box because as much as I paid for this planner, I want to keep this planner in great condition. All right, let's see. I'm ready. Ready, guys? Let's do it. Oh my goodness. So I bought, I think this one is called Radiant. I'm not real sure. I don't remember the name. I think it's Radiant. Wow. And the designer or the artist that done this cover, I think her name was Allison Jansen. And like I said, this is my first Makselife, so I can't compare it to anything, any previous versions. I will tell you that some of the other videos that I've seen say that like the cover is not as thick as the previous year or whatever. But this is why I bought it, because all of the other ones before now had the O-ring, and I don't like those. I just don't like them. So the first thing I notice is the beautiful colors. I love these colors. Normally I'm a pink girl, but this green just really, it jumped out at me. It does have the elastic to keep it closed. I do like that. Oh, and I love how it's got that darker green. It says Makselife on the back. I'm loving that. All right, so this is my very first opinion of it. So it's a very substantial cover. I know a lot of the other reviewers were saying that it's not as thick as it has been in previous years, but man, that's a nice thick cover. Oh, and look at this inside. It's like a yellow flower. And I think each one, there's 8, from what I can remember, there's like 8 Flagship planners. And each one of them, the inside of the page is designed to like match the cover. All right, so we do get one of these bookmarks here, and it says today, and it's got a ruler on it, and it just goes right into, it's supposed to snap right down on it, but I guess probably with it being new, it's just like with any of the other newer ones things, it takes a little bit, so I like that. All right, it says Makselife Goal Setting Planner System 2024 Vertical Weekly Edition. The power in these pages belongs to. Okay, and then it's just some ways to get in touch and to find inspiration. Here's another letter from Sierra, the owner, creator, what have you. Some getting started pages. Talks about the different steps, compass assessment, setting intentions, annual goals and visions, monthly goals and weekly actions, and then monthly reflections and quarterly review. So here is a compass assessment, and this is the Life Compass. And then this is the assessment scoring. Now, you can access this. They have this as a free printable on their website. And so I have already printed this out and printed the assessment out because, to be quite honest, I did not want to go marking my book up without knowing what I was doing. And so I've already done that, and then I'll transfer that into here. But I'll also, because I believe, and I'll check in a little bit, I believe there is this compass at the end of each quarter but there's not the assessment scoring, and I want to rescore it, so I'll have some of these to put into my quarters. All right, so then it's intentions. So it's just asking some different questions. What could I use more of in my life this year? What could I use less of? That's wonderful. Talking about setting goals and how you're committing to the goals, reviewing them, and removing them. How to write your goals. Okay, so like this, it's saying, instead of writing get rid of clutter, it's saying break it down, clean my garage this weekend. So that's going to be great for me. Then it's talking about the 3 types of goals: stretch goals, progress goals, and maintenance goals. Your annual goals, your monthly goals, your weekly actions, and then things to consider in each area of life when writing your goals. And again, this was also in their free printable section, so I have already downloaded it and I've already looked at that. Then this says use the space to create a list or mind map of ideas, dreams, and goals for the coming year. Have fun. The possibilities are endless. And this is a dot grid paper. Then it's got your annual goals, and they're broken up into, I believe, 8 different sections. And then the area underneath each one is it's dot grid paper. So personal is this mustard color, and it says focus. There's a line there for you to put what your focus is. I'm trying to get it where you guys maybe can see. And then it has the dot grid area below it. How will my life improve by reaching these personal goals? Then they have fun and recreation, work and learning, family and relationships, health and wellness, spiritual and personal growth, financial, and physical environment. So those are the annual goals. Then you have a vision board. And then it says, have some fun bringing your annual goals to life. Locate images, words, and phrases that resonate with the intentions you have created for this year using the internet, periodicals, and your own creativity. Choose items that make you feel good. This space is designed to inspire you. Visit this board often to keep you anchored to your goals and vision throughout the year. That's wonderful, because if it's in your face and you see it all the time, you'll be more likely to try and get to it. And then you got some goal setting quick tips. And then this wonderful little quote here. And then we start January. So this starts January of 2024. Looks like it's a very minimalist. The colors behind the numbers is like a light pale blue. I see a very nice quote there. And then next month's calendar here. And then I have a notes section. Then it goes into January goals. So I guess these will be the goals that I want to achieve in January. There's another quote here. This one is from Maya Angelou. So I have my January goals. And again, it's those 8 goals that we just talked about. Then it has a dot grid paper here. And it says reflect on wins, what worked, what didn't work, lessons learned, and adjustments needed. So I guess maybe from the previous month, week, whatever. Then I have weekly actions for January 1st through 7th. And again, it's those 8 different goals. And so I guess these would be the actions that I take to try to achieve these goals here. So that's great for me. Then I have January 1st through 7th, and it is in the vertical. It's not timed, which I like better for me, because I'm not going to go by the times on here. I just need a list, and I would put the most important thing at the top and then work my way down from there. Then it's got a little area for notes. It's got a habit tracker here, and then down here in the bottom there's a little box, and it does have their little let me see if I can get it where you guys can see it. I don't know if you can see it. It's not focusing, but it's the little compass there. So there's my week, and then it goes into another one of those reflection pages with the dot grid, and then another page for weekly actions for January 8th through 14th. Okay, so it looks like it's going to be like that through the months. Then when we get to the end of the month, I have a monthly reflections page, and then it starts the next month. Okay, and February is like a pale pink or red. So again, it's going to be the same way. And then you have your monthly reflections, and then we go into March. Now I think this is where, this is the end of a quarter. So, okay, so yes. So you have your monthly reflections, and then you have that quarterly compass again to fill out. And that's where there's not the assessment questions. And so I want to answer those questions again. So that's when I would look at that assessment question page again, that I'll just print a new one for each quarter from the internet, from their freebies, and then I'll fill this out. So that happens with every quarter. So it would be March, April, May. Would that be right? No, June, I guess. Yeah. So there's that compass again. So then we'll have it again in September. And then we'll have it again in December. Okay, so that I'm loving. Then it's got another tab and it says extras. So it's the 2024 calendar and the 2025 calendar. And then it's a few pages of lined note pages. And then this is a folder. So you've got a folder on both sides there. And then it looks like a page of stickers. And then it's got a folder back here in the back. Okay, so I'm liking this. We will see how this works for me. I'm very excited to try this out. And let me show you my one last thing that I bought. If I can get it open. And I do have a couple other things that I want to order from them. But I wanted to get this in first and just kind of see how I liked it. So one of the things that I picked up was the mini sticky notes, and I bought this in the bold colors. And so these are the sticky notes that match the colors that are on the color wheel. And there is, I think it said there's 100 sticky notes in each little set. And let's see, I'm just going to pull this one off for now. Did I get two? No, I got one. And let's just see. I want to see how they fit in here. Okay, so it fits really good right there on the month, in the month block. Let's see how it looks right here. Oh yeah, so it works good on that too. And it looks like it would take up like the space of 3. So 3 lines there. Okay. So I like that. That's a great way for me to do time blocking, and with them being the different colors, I can time block according to what area or what goal it would be in relation to. So yeah, I'm pretty excited. They do have these in the pastel as well, and that is one thing I do have in my cart, and I will probably go back and order those. They also have washi tape. It's on a ring, and it's got the bold and the pastel. But I am definitely looking forward to getting into this and seeing how this works for me. We'll see. I'll keep you guys updated. There's not a lot to update between now and January because it doesn't start until January. But what I'll do is I'll start working on my goal setting. Yeah. That's it for now, guys. Let me know what you all think, and I will leave a link below where you can go and place an order for one of these if this is something that you are interested in. Again, right now I can't really tell you one way or the other if it is something that is great and wonderful and I can't live without, or you know, if it was a waste of money. I don't know. I'm not going to sugarcoat it. I'm not going to beat around the bush. I'm just telling you exactly where it is for me. I don't know at this point. I can tell you just from looking at it, I'm very excited and I think it's going to work great. But that's all I can tell you right now. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.